Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to insert live stock tickers into Google Sheets. It's super easy to do and can be very helpful if you're needing to analyze stocks. Today I'm going to show you just actually how to insert the price. We'll make a video in the future about some of the other functionality around this and how it can be beneficial. But for now, we're going to just keep this very easy and straightforward. In Google Sheets, let's say you have a sheet that you want and you're just, for whatever reason, maybe creating a budget or trying to track your stock portfolio. There is a function and it's called Google Finance. And so we'll just write out Google Finance. You'll see it will pop up there. You can hit tab and it will autofill, or you can write it out. We'll hit tab here. A couple things you just need to do in order to get the price. You just need to either put in quotation marks and type out a ticker symbol for a company, or you can just select, if you have that already written out, you can just go ahead and select that and then hit comma. And then if you want the price, all you have to do is do quotation marks, price, quotation marks, and then close that parentheses. And then if you enter, it's going to take a minute, but then it's going to generate the current stock price for whatever ticker symbol you use. And so again, it can be delayed slightly. It can be 15 minutes. It can be a day. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you verify, before you make any financial decisions with this information. So this is something that you can do to track kind of where your stock portfolio is at. You can also click and drag, and then you can see it's going to say loading. But if you have a list of other ticker symbols, it's going to automatically generate those stock prices as well, which is awesome. So that's something you can do. And then let's say you have 100 shares that you're trying to keep track of. You can go ahead and just kind of measure that as well. Google Sheets is very easy. That auto generates that for me. So you can go ahead and click and drag that down. Let's say we want to see the dollar amount, make things a little bit easier to follow. We can go ahead and do that. And so now you can track that information and see whatever it might be. And then so each day as you get updates, it's going to go ahead and update this amount, and you can see in real time what your stock portfolio is doing, what it looks like. Again, very easy, very simple to do, very straightforward. Elaborate in some other videos on some of the other functionality around Google Finance. But hopefully this was helpful for what you're trying to do. Please let me know of any questions or comments in the comment section below. And please remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.